What's up, Fantastic family? It's your girl, Fantastic, and I'm on my second day. It's probably middle of the day. Took a tour this morning, and cameras really weren't allowed. I did get some clips of some of the presidential suites and condos that they sell here. I'll either include the clips in this video, or I'll do a separate video, make it a short. So we finally broke free for the day. So the rest of the day belongs to us. This is full day. My daughter and niece, they're already at the Gucci store shopping. I ain't got no business going over there, but we're getting ready to catch the monorail and kind of navigate over there. So once I get over there, I'll bring you back. Bye. So we're here at the monorail station. This station takes us all around the strip. That's northbound. That's the southbound. It really don't matter which way because it makes like a loop around. So just depending on how fast you want to go. And they come about every 9 minutes. So we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait on. All right. Let me show y'all a little bit outside. You got Spring Hill Suites, Encore. I'm not sure what that building is, but yeah. And girl, the mountains got snow on them. When we were looking out last night and stuff, and this morning you could see the mountains way out. From our room, we could look out and see the snow on the mountain tops. Okay, we made our stop. We're at the MGM Grand. We're gonna walk down to area. To the Gucci store to find my daughter and my niece. See how much damage they done done. Last night was so fun. It was pretty much one of them. Everybody in the club get tipsy. I almost fell, I don't know how many times. It was just ridiculous. I'm not a drinker, so. I don't know what was over there. Look at that cactus. My daughter now tapped out on me. I'm going through the little exit. We're at the MGM Grand. This is where Usher Raymond is doing his residency. He did one last year, and I guess he did so well he decided to bring it back this year. But yeah. How we get out of here? Let me show you. Is that out?
That's one way out, though, look.
Huh?
It's one way out.
How did we go last night?
I don't know.
How did you go this morning?
I think I came from that way.
This way. Is this out? Is this out to the strip?
No, that way is the strip.
Oh, okay.
The swimming pool.
What is this?
This is Television City. It's right there. You can go watch the show right now and get off your feet for less than an hour. It's a new pilot.
How long does it last?
Less than an hour.
I mean, is it every hour?
Anytime you want to go.
Okay.
Till 5 o'clock.
Okay, we'll come
Every
back.
day.
Okay. Gave us tickets. They're shooting a new TV show, and she invited us to come watch. That's it. And which way she say out? This exit. We just went to monorail. Was we supposed to leave out the monorail area? Is that out? This way? To go to the strip. I don't think they know. Is this the way out toward the strip? Which way?
Go walk around.
Okay, that way? Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I'll be back when we get on the strip. Live on the strip. Right. It's New York, New York. Woo. Park MGM.
But like, taking a jolt, I definitely just
We're on the strip. If you ever in Vegas and they ask you, do you want free dinner, discounted dinner, or discounted ticket, wrong. They want to try to sell you something, and they tie you up all day. And that's what happened this morning with us. Yeah, this is my church. Hello.
It's a birthday.
That's okay.
I cannot hear. Hello?
Good evening. It's a birthday celebration, and the guest of honor is our very own pastor, Elliot R. Shelton Sr. Please come to your
I can't hear.
I know. The way, I just like the way you had to say it.
Usher is at the Usher at the park MGM. I thought he was at the Grand. He at the park. Maybe. I was mad coming back to see Bruno. Yeah. Ooh.
Thank you.
See ya.
I see a Burlington, they go Marshalls. Have we passed Target?
That's bad. Yeah. It breaks my heart.
Outback. Love me some chimichurro. Kookaburra wings.
Yeah.
It was kind of hard to explain how.
Yeah. I got. Now that I see it, I know.
We can check in now.
We go in there on the way back, huh?
But you're not gonna let us be great.
They can't stop all of us.
Live from the strip.
Nah, you can still only got like 5.
That's right there.
Yeah.
All right, receipts on. Oh, I see Target.
Packed like.
Them hot dogs look good. Ooh, they smell good too. That's where they ate it right there, the crank shack. Look y'all. Look who we got.
Almost not too far.
I know how you get in here now. This the biggest of the basket. Oh, they drink. Hey! Make it back, back it up.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love. everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, deep. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
Parking. How do we get out of here? How to go down, huh? top of that, we could have got some cheap tickets for that. Yeah, they got damn smart food. It's cold as fuck out here. Uh-oh, excuse me. Oh, that shit. Yeah, it's cold as shit. They need a damn whooping.
que murmuren
Double Dutch
y que
bud.
mi nombre censuren. Por todita la ciudad.
Miracle Mile shop. They were just building it when we were there before. Can we go?
Yes, sir. More worried about polish.
Okay. And so we navigated our way down here. Back here, what you see behind me is where the fountains perform. The fountains are not going. They're not doing the fountains.
Not at all?
They said the wind conditions. The wind conditions said they're not gonna perform. Yeah, they just announced. Huh? I have.
What are you doing?
I sent a video of me talking.
Oh, hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
You want to tell them where
I'm
to follow
asking
you?
her about the films because I've never seen them before. So, you've seen the fountain show?
Uh-huh.
What does it look like?
Fountains, and then whatever music they play, the fountains kind of go up and down.
Oh, does it?
With the music, so.
Oh.
So I guess we'll wait till 8 and go over there to the Mirage to see the volcano show.
There's a volcano show.
Yes, it's like maybe every hour, every 30 minutes, or maybe at the same time, but it's a volcano show on the inside.
Like an actual volcano?
I mean, not an actual volcano, but yeah.
Oh, I guess
Yeah,
we're going to
that's
the garden now.
All right, bye. Have a good one. All right. Yeah, like I was saying, they said the wind conditions are so high that there's no fountain show. And it's cold out here. This is really, really surprising, but it's cold out here. So I'll be back.